Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to unlock the SAUG SMG for Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys have to do is head over to weapons, go to loadout, go to whatever gun you want to change, go to SMGs, and you'll notice that it is at the bottom right here, SAUG, and it does say unlocked in Black Ops 6 Season 1 Battle Pass, but in order to see how to actually unlock it, all you have to do is go over to Battle Pass, and this is basically tier 1, and you'll notice that it is at tier 3, or sorry, page 3. I'm not sure what exact tier that is, but anyways, the thing is it is free, so that is something to keep in mind. So you don't have to purchase the battle pass to unlock this gun. It is free, so yeah. So basically, in order to unlock this, you just have to, keep ranking up your battle pass tiers, and I guess the best way to do that is either by using a double XP token right here, or by just completing daily challenges and trying to win as many games as you possibly can. And eventually, when you reach that tier, the gun will automatically unlock. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.